Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents. Mix these ingredients and drink it 1 hour before bed. The results in the morning are amazing. Very often we go to bed feeling full or with an upset stomach. This is often a result of the consumption of a heavy meal, and its poor digestion may lead to acid reflux, interrupted sleep, or heartburn. However, this issue can be treated naturally. The mixture of coconut milk, ginger, and turmeric is extremely beneficial as it treats the symptoms of indigestion like acid reflux and heartburn and improves digestion. Coconut milk is rich in numerous healthy fats and has powerful antimicrobial effects which prevent stomach or digestive problems due to bacteria. On the other hand, turmeric is a strong anti-inflammatory agent which reduces the issues related to the digestive tract lining and prevents ulcers due to its antiseptic properties. It has numerous other health benefits such as heals and soothes the digestive tract, helps detoxification of the body by stimulating the function of the liver and improving bile flow. The best cancer cure, alleviates pain and fever related to illness, improves blood circulation and thins the blood, prevents ulcers, relieves arthritis pain due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Moreover, this remedy contains other beneficial ingredients such as honey and black pepper. Black pepper stimulates the absorption of curcumin, the active ingredient of turmeric. Honey improves digestion and soothes the irritation in the digestive system, and it is high in vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and amino acids. This is how to prepare it. Ingredients: 2 cups coconut milk, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon organic honey, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 inch piece of sliced ginger, or you can use 1 teaspoon ginger powder. Method of preparation. This delicious and healthy drink is easy to prepare and it soothes the stomach, enhances digestion, and prevents acid reflux. In a bowl, mix the ingredients except for the honey. Mix them well, transfer the mixture to a saucepan and place it over low heat. Cook it for 5 minutes and add the honey at the end. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.